Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use dereflect on a photo in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just swipe to the right and press on Portrait Beauty. After that, select a picture, press on Confirm and press on Dereflect. And now you can just wait until the dereflection is complete. And after that it will be added to your picture, as you can see, and it means that the reflection is done. Now you can just press on save in the top of your right corner and it's gonna be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.